Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. I thought you actually became active last year.
Last year, I know. I've been on TikTok for so many long.
Oh, okay. That's nice. So how do you like it so far?
Ose,
How do you like it so far?
how do I do what?
How do you like it so far?
How do I like him so far?
No, how do you like the app so far? Like, how is it to you? Do you like it over here? Are you okay? Are you enjoying it? What was it about? Like, that's what I'm trying to ask
Kinato.
you.
Kintonato. And then there's somewhere here. Kinato.
Valentina.
Ken,
Oh my goodness. What's going on?
I don't know. I just saw her on my FYP and I bumped in.
First of all, what's the name? I'm official. How you pronounce my name? Stop it with the Kinato. Stop.
Ose,
Hold on.
hello.
I think he got a
Kinato.
call.
I like
He
Kinato
said
Planchon.
he said his name is not Kinato, it's Kintona.
Kintona.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah, I was asking you like how do you like the app so far? How was it?
how do I like what the ass?
Oh my god, I'm getting down. The ass? No, this
I
is.
mean the app, the app, the
The
TikTok app.
fucking.
Ah, yeah, it's good, it's nice.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry that I got you confused. That was what I was trying to ask.
Ah,
All
yeah,
right.
it's
You wanted
nice.
to ask me anything or are you okay?
Is Kinato your friend?
Yeah, Kintona is my friend.
Okay, I see. Why did he get down? Because I
Because she
said
said
ah,
ass.
and I
Yeah.
asked, how do he understand it?
Ass is booty. Or what you mean? That's what you meant, right?
Ah, but he shouldn't have gone down. But me, I didn't hear that.
You didn't what?
I didn't hear it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you heard him.
Uh, and then we are going to almost 1K. Oh.
Oh, really? I didn't even check the views. I'm just talking. The phone is just there.
Adwempa hene otwa supire kwabrafo waye kwa bibrim han bafo otwa burumu wode putupuriye buraburu ma mansan wo fufuo tomti